Holy. Oh my god. Holy crap.
I saw it.
Hit my fucking house. Oh my god. The fucking pod in the front of the house. Holy shit. Is it just me, or is that not supposed to say Sadop? Bro, this hurricane be bust. House right now. There's a fucking boat in the middle of the lake. Completely through this boat. I didn't even notice that. Oh yeah. Yep, that's the boat. It's supposed to be going straight. It's going this way. This way. Know what's wrong with it? It ain't got no gas in it. We're gonna see if Florida man can pull this off. Oh, there. Oh. Yeah, definitely didn't pull it off. Oh my god. Want to do a little kayaking? We're good right here. We could picnic a little too. We just have to move some of that stuff around, but we're all good. Yeah, bench is gone.